Hello everybody and welcome back to Beae tutorial series. In this video we are going to be discussing how you can use TLab artificial intelligence language translate to get your pages and template translated. In case you haven't watched one of our previous video where we discussed how to use TMS to translate our pages and template, make sure you watch that one too. Translating your pages could make them SEO friendly, as well translation is necessary for the spreading of new information, knowledge and ideas across the world. It is absolutely necessary to achieve effective communication between different cultures. In the process of spreading new information, translation is something that can change history. To do so, let's start off by choosing a template. I have already created one, so let's just head over to this drop down, and from there we are going to be selecting products. In here I have one of my templates ready to be translated, so let's just start working with this one. Once you decide your template and you're ready to go, you need to head over to your Shopify account and from there to apps section. Here you can see TLab AI language translate, which you are going to be selecting. After clicking on that, you can see we are now directed towards its dashboard, and in here we have few options. Let's just close this pop-up. So right now, as you can see on top, we have all of these tabs, among which we are going to be choosing translation, obviously. Here you can see you have first option of translations for language, from which we are going to be selecting German, and after that we have translation of the particular section that you are going to be translating, and in here we are going to be selecting theme sections. You always have all of these options. You can see you have meta fields, shop, payment, delivery, so on and so forth. So we are going to be selecting theme sections, for example home page, and after a couple of seconds you can see some options just appear. Here from the drop down on your left, you have to choose the page that you want to translate. So basically you are going to be targeting that specific page or template that you want to translate. In our case is this one. When you choose your page or template, you can see all of the headings and title and text is available in here. Translation in this is really easy, as it uses artificial intelligence technology. You simply need to click on this blue arrow and you can see our language is automatically translated from English to German. Similarly, you can do this for all of these English phrases, and make sure you don't select the links in between. Sometimes they appear in here. So like for example these, you don't want to translate these, so you simply can translate, like for example this sold out, we can translate that. We have view all and so on and so forth. We can just translate which need to be translated. So just give me a couple of moments until I translate and I'll catch you up in a moment. So as you can see, I have translated a couple of these English phrases into German, and now we are pretty much good to go. After you are done, please don't forget to click on this save button at the bottom if you want to start again. You can see a loading screen just appears, and after a couple of seconds of loading, the bar will be totally completed and we will be ready to go. You can see it is saying translations were saved successfully, and we can click on go back, and now we need to head over to the front end section and see how is it looking. So right now, as you can see, we are on Beae. From here you need to update and click on preview simply. Once your settings are updated, click on view, and now we are on our front end section, from where we have to select the language to German. So as you can see, our text is pretty much changed into German, and you can also see this button is also changed into German, and all of these text is in German. So that's how you can use the TLab AI language translate to change your pages languages, and I really hope you understood the concept and enjoyed the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.